Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to upload an Excel file or CSV file into Google Sheets. For example, I have this CSV file here. If I open it, it's going to launch in Microsoft Excel, but I don't have Excel license, so I can't even use this spreadsheet. I can only view it. It's view only for me. And I can't even make this cell wider, so I can't even see what's in these cells unless I manually click into them. So it's really not usable for all types of spreadsheets. I need to be able to go in and make changes to the spreadsheet, which I can't do unless I pay for an Office license. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to upload an Excel file or CSV file or spreadsheet, general spreadsheet, into Google Sheets or into Google Drive. So make your way to your Google Drive, and there's two ways to upload. I'm going to show you both ways. The first way, and I do not recommend this way, but I'm going to show it to you just so you can understand what's going on, is to press plus new. So if I go and I select new and I go over and I select file upload, it's going to pop up my window and I'm going to find the document that I want to upload, which is in this case quik.video data. You can see it's a CSV file. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's going to upload. However, it uploads as a Google Docs document or a Word document, which isn't really that useful because I need it to be in a spreadsheet form. So if I want to go and change this over to a spreadsheet, I need to go and select the document I just uploaded, double click it, and then you can see here it's in a docs format. Go ahead and in the middle, select open with, and then you can select Google Sheets. And now it's going to open as a Google Sheets document. A little bit of extra steps, that's why I don't recommend it. The secondary option is to go back to your Google Drive. And as you can see here now, we have actually that new one. Here's the new one we just uploaded via the documents doc. But I'm going to go into this spreadsheet here. It's just another spreadsheet that I have. It's actually the spreadsheet that I uploaded. But I'm going to go in here. So go to pick any spreadsheet that you have. And then I'm going to show you the simplest way to upload a Excel or CSV file. So go into a spreadsheet file and then go up to File, Import, and under import, go to upload. And then this is where you are going to either browse or you can go again into your file that you have up in your file explorer and just drag and drop that file that you want to upload into Google Sheets. So I went ahead and uploaded that file, and then I'm going to import data. And now it's going to give me that file here. I'm going to go ahead and say open now. And here is officially the file that I have uploaded. Again, it's the same file I just looked at because they were just the same files. But this is the simplest way to upload, in my opinion, a Google Sheets folder or file into your Google Drive. And that was a quick video on how to upload a Excel file or CSV file into Google Drive. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.